Yeah. Hello ka-umami! Isang napakasimpleng dish na naman ang ituturo ko sa inyo at gagamitan lang natin ng mushroom at talong. So para po itong ensalada, Thai style, napakadali lang gawin, napakasimple lang. At I'm sure magugustuhan nyo rin kapag inyong sinubukan. So mayroon na po akong pinapainit na tubig dito at hugasan ko muna ito dahil lalagain muna natin bago natin gawing ensalada. So ganitong klaseng mushroom po siya at pwede natin gamitin yung maliliit na bilog, yung nakukuha sa sagingan. At tatanggalan lang po natin nung kanyang ugat o paa, kung ano man ang tawag natin dyan. Yan. Ito lang yung kailangan natin. Linisan din natin ang talong. At sa mga bago po sa ating page, nakakain din po ang ganitong talong na hilaw dito sa Thailand. Ayan, yung bilog na ginagamit natin sa pinakbet. Tignan natin kung may uod. Meron nga. Tignan natin sa iba. Pero mas masarap syempre kung may sausawan. Ganda ng pagkalutong. Yan. Manamis-namis. Kumukulo na. Yung pagpapakuluan po natin, lalagyan natin ng bagoong para magkalasa na. Tansyahin ko na lang. Tsaka natin ilagay ang mga talong. Sama na natin yung mga... Ay! Merong sumama. Sama ko na yung mga kinagatan natin. Sa gulay naman, meron po tayong spring onion. Ito naman yung tinatawag na paksilaw. Ganyan po yung itsura niya. Napakabango po nito at kung wala naman ito sa atin, kahit huwag nyo na lang pong lagyan. Pampabango lang kasi ito at gustong-gusto ng mga Thai. Okay lang na kahit ito lang ang ilagay nyo. At kung meron po kayong mint, pwede nyo ring lagyan. Half cook na yung talong. Isasama na po natin ang mushroom. Luto na kaya. Patayin na natin ang apoy. Ngayon pa lang mabango na mga kaumami. Amoy inabraw. Ililipat po natin ang talong sa ating almires. Gusto kong mahati-hati muna sila. And then gagamitan natin itong ating mahiwagang pamukpok. Hindi po natin ito dudurugin na parang smoothie, okay? Ayan, mga ganyan. Okay na yan. At isunod po natin yung kabote. Lalagyan natin ng kaunting sabaw dahil kailangan medyo masosi din yung ating ginagawang salad. At bago natin ituloy, meron tayong piprituhing beef tapa mga kaumami. Timpladong beef na ibinilad ng isang araw. Saka tinago ulit sa ref. Pero hindi po siya sweet katulad ng ating mga tosino. Ayan, napakasarap ipares sa ating ginagawang salad. At pwede rin or mas perfect kapag mga pritong isda. I-combine na natin yung mushroom sa ating talong. Ang bango. Maglalagay tayo ng kaunting patis. At itong roasted glutinous rice na dinurog. Ito po yung pampabango at pampalapot. Chili flakes. Kaumami. Yung ating mga dahon-dahon. Mint. Haluin natin. Wow. Grabe. Nakakatakam kaumami. Hindi na natin to kailangan. Ayan. Okay na at ready na po yung ating ensalada. Luto na rin ang ating tapa. Iaangat ko lang para kumawala sa mantika. Ayan. So, let's eat! So, ayan. Tamang-tama po. Kararating lang ng aking asawa. At ito nga dala niya yung puwet ng manok. Let's eat! Daddy, try my wow, ensaladang talong.
น่ากินมากเลย
Wait for me. Kailangan sabay, no? How's it?
อร่อย
Parang hindi naman.
หอมข้าว
Ang
คั่ว
sarap.
หอมข้าวคั่วหอมปลาร้า
Ang bango ng bagoong at nung roasted rice. Nagpabango.
ก็มี texture ของเห็ดเนาะ มี texture ของเห็ดทำให้มันดูแปลกๆแต่ว่าอร่อย
Ang sarap nung kombinasyon nung mushroom. So, they don't alunos. Hindi nila pinapapak. Eat with
ดิข้าวเหนียว
sticky rice. So, ito po yung pang kukutsara natin ganyan. So, this is how they do it.
yeah
Yeah. Oh. Better. And usually, hindi talaga nila nilalagyan ng mushroom. But sometimes, some version, may mga mushroom po talaga. I know what's lacking.
อะไร
Not so spicy.
ไม่เป็นไรเด็กๆก็กินได้
Kailangan mas spicy po siya. Ating tapa.
เข้ากัน
Cow garn is much. Ang sarap ka umami.
อร่อยสำหรับ
Masarap.
เอายูสปูน
Mahirap siyang kusarain.
ไอ้วันเยอะ
Gusto dahil may maraming subo. Sarap.
อร่อยมาก
We sometimes buy this in the market for 20 baht.
no mushroom
So, nit diyaw, no? Ang kaunti, nakakabitin. Kaya mas maganda, gawin na lang. Because eggplant is very cheap. Sarap ng bagoong po niya. Ang sarap, grabe.
very masarap
Very masarap.
มาตูดไหม ตูด
Ayun.
wow
I like the puwet with suka. Sa kanila yung puwet, sa mga bagoong po nila isinasawsaw. Pero tayo gusto natin sa suka. The taba, perfect. Ang sarap. No?
เนื้อแดดเดียว
One day, nilang binilad. Ay, kanserado naman pong diet. Nung diet today again. Is this Isan food again?
ใช่เขาเรียกว่า
Another Isan food?
ซุปมะเขือ
Soup makura.
ซุปมะเขือ
Soup makura.
ซุปก็เป็นซุปไง
Makura is eggplant.
I finish วันข้าวเหนียวแล้ว
Napaka-cute kasi ng kanyang sticky rice.
chicken liver เข้ากัน
Yeah. Ang sarap. Yun bang bawat subo ay super satisfied ka sa lasa. Very simple but very masarap, no?
ฟิลิปปินส์ก็ทำอย่างนี้ไหมเอามะเขือมา
We have
ยำๆอย่างเงี้ย
ensalada but different ingredient. Only calamansi, tomato,
บากุอง
onion, bagoong. Yun lang.
ก็ในเซมนะอีพุชินลีกับข้าวคั่วใช่ไหม
They can make it dahil napaka-easy po. You can just add the
ชินลีแอนข้าวคั่ว
chili and the roasted rice.
Yes.
And if you have mint, it's better, no? And green onions.
กินนอนยอนมิ้นแล้วก็ผักชีใบเลื่อย ว้าว นี่มีแฟตด้วยฉันชอบ เนื้อแดดเดียว with fat
Pero maanghang na. Spicy na po.
ไหนสไปซี่นี่เหรอ
I think it's spicy.
spicy
Slight
นิด
lang
หน่อย
daw. Grabe. Spicy.
เอาตูดไหม
Pinipili talaga niya yung puwet sa akin. Sige na nga. Later. Napakasimpleng ulam. Magkakasundo po kami sa mga ganitong ulam.
Aroy mาก
อร่อยมากๆ is very masarap. Pasado dali. Panไหม
ปานเนี่ย
Pasado daw. Rate it. 10 out of 10. Wow.
10 per 10 especially with เนื้อแดดเดียว very much
Because this is our favorite. That's why nakukuha ko na siyang lutuin. Wet po ng manok. Wait, manghang. Dati ayaw ko ng mga mint. Before, no, I don't like the mint. And the other one, leaf. Ngayon, sanay na po ako dahil masasarap pala.
ไม่ใส่มิ้นท์แล้วเหรอตอนไม่เห็นมิ้นท์
เนี่ย
แต่ว่าฉัน smell อยู่ ฉันชอบกินมิ้นท์เยอะๆ มีไหมเหลือไหม
Yeah, I already planted. Yung pinaghimayan ko po, itinanim ko.
จะกินโชว์เลย มีไหม
One more. Papak na.
อะไรแปลก
Let's papak.
ๆมันคือ
มือกินเล่น There! Hi! Who give you that? Kay hi. Oho.
โอ้มังโคตร
May dala po yung anak ko. Kay hi, look.
May lu.
Tama nang may lu. May nagbigay na naman pong kapitbahay. Thank you, anak.
thank you Mac
Mangosteen ka, umami. Ay, hala.
โอ้สวยๆเลยนะ
Very fresh, daddy. Ang gaganda.
สวยๆก้านเขียวๆเลย
Mangosteen ka, umami. Bigay na naman po ng kapitbahay.
ก้านเขียวๆเลย
You know what? We are very lucky. We have
Who gave us don't know
a lot of neighborhood.
แม็กไปให้มา
A lot of neighbors. Sometimes they just put in the coffee table in front of our house. Sometimes they just hang in the gate. Napakarami po nilang ibinibigay. Oh, let's eat, daddy. Busog ka na? There's the sticker rice.
อิ่มแล้วเนี่ยเอาตับไหมลิเวอร์ไหมกินลิเวอร์ไหม
No?
ลิเวอร์
Mga anak po namin, may pagkain sila. Though they can eat this too. Lalo ang pangalan namin, gusto din niya yung mga ganito.
หมอข้าวเหนียว
Tulo sipon. Alright. Subukan nyo to, mami. Try it. Hindi kayo mabibigo. Yung mga recipe po na isinishare ko, kahit minsan hindi kumpleto, wala yung mga dahon-dahon, you can still copy. You can still make it. Dahil pwede naman tayong mag-invento at gumamit ng mga substitute, pang-substitute. How many sticky rice did we eat?
3 แล้ว
Mas marami pa yung rice kaysa ulam, daddy.
normally I eat only 2 enough now 3 ละ
Sa mga kaumami na visiting Thailand soon, they can order this isang restaurant, no? May mga ganito mga pwedeng orderin po sa mga street food, sa mga isang restaurant. Talong salad po siya or talong ensalada. Nagda-diet po kasi siya
ไม่ได้ละเอียดแล้วนะ
dahil ang bigat na niya. Last. Okay, wala. So, yun lang mga kaumami. To be continued. Mamaya ang pagkain sa loob dahil madilim na. Mahina ang ating kalaban today. Busog na daw siya. Ayan, subukan nyo po and let me know kung nagustuhan nyo. Pag-share ang video kung nagustuhan. Bye!
Bye